Modern LLLCs are easy to install and even easier to program, which makes reconfiguring lighting for tenant improvements easier than ever. In this example, we're going to simulate a TI project by converting part of our open office into a closed office meeting space. Imagine a tenant improvement with no rewiring. A few moments with the configuration tool are all it takes to have the lights in room 1 and 2 working independently of one another. Programming a wireless wall station completes the job, and we never even had to get a ladder. And there you have it. With the same level of effort it takes to learn a new app on your phone, you can reconfigure a space to ensure a high level of tenant comfort with ongoing flexibility.